Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So yesterday we saw a failed breakdown attempt, which has now resulted in a move back up towards the recent high of 24.39.5. In the overnight session, we saw a sell response on first test of the 24.37 area, but overall, the buy side has been more dominant. And at this point, heading into the open, the question is whether the buying that kicked off yesterday and then continued in the overnight session is now going to continue for a breakout attempt beyond 39.25 to 41.25. So heading into the open today, our short-term bias is going to be neutral. We are going to have to be nimble and flexible with our real-time bias. The main area of resistance today is 39.25 to 41.25. That marks the recent 3-day high. And in order to get a sustained breakout beyond 39.25 to 41.25, we will have to see sustained upside momentum and participation from the other markets. And simply a lack of upside momentum can result in a failed breakout attempt at 39.25 to 41.25. On the downside, we have support at 27.5 to 30, and if the market is going to attempt a breakout, then ideally you want to see the buyers holding ES above 27.5 to 30. So that area is the initial support zone, and it can also be used as the micro bull bear zone to determine whether the buyers are still maintaining the control that we've seen in the overnight session. Now, in the event that we do get a breakout beyond 39.25 to 41.25, that can lead to a test of the 47.25 to 49.75 area, and responsive sellers can be active there on first test. And above that, the sell side can be active at pretty much every resistance area, including 52.5 and 58 to 60.5. On the downside, in the event of a failure at 27.5 to 30, we can get a move down towards 21.75 and the 17.75 to 19.75 support, where responsive buyers can be active, especially if the market is exhausted into it. And then in order for the market to put in any kind of sustained breakdown below 17.75 to 19.75 and below yesterday's low of 15.75, we would have to see broad market weakness and some decent and sustained downside momentum. And in the event that we do test below 17.75 and below yesterday's low, responsive buyers can still be active at 10.25 to 12.25, at 05.25, and especially at the stronger support at 2400.25 to 2402.25. So if we look over the last 3 sessions here, we can see that the market has been balancing within a range, and currently it is in a balanced state. And in order for it to break out beyond 39.25 to 41.25, we need to see some decent momentum and participation from the other markets. And in order for it to break down in any significant way below 17.75 to 19.75 and below yesterday's low, we need to see a lot of weakness on the day time frame and a lot of sustained downside momentum. Absent any clear-cut strength or weakness in the market, we could continue to balance within a range, but heading into the open, the nearest inflection point is 39.25 to 41.25. That's really the area that the buyers have to take out in order to continue to be dominant, and 39.25 to 41.25 is the potential failure spot. So that is the market context heading into today. Let's see how the market responds to the initial resistance zone and the initial support zone. That will help set the tone and bias for the day, and we'll take it from there.